Hello and welcome to 3D CNC and my second review of Hobbyking's premium PLA series. I actually made a review about half a year ago, but I did have some problems back then that I thought might be due to my Ender 3 extruder, and now I printed a lot more with the material, and as you can see I've used the orange Hobbyking PLA for almost all of the parts on my OP3D snowmobile, and I had zero problems since I replaced the extruder with the metal one. So I'll make this video to make it a bit clearer what I said back then, and I will still leave that old video up, so I'll link it probably up in the corner right here as well as in the video description, so you can go and watch it. But that's it. Stay tuned for the video. So the filament comes in these cardboard boxes. You can see some printing settings on the outside for your nozzle bed and also which filament it is. Now I actually use this, as I said, but they come vacuum sealed, also with these silica gel bags to keep the filament dry. So now I've used up pretty much all of these two rolls, and I've actually also gotten some more for the future, because I really think the filament is a great deal for the price. Almost all in my OP3D snowmobile is printed with the Hobbyking orange and green PLA. There are some parts in awsome PLA, like the yellow ones for the lights and track plates, but most of the parts are printed in Hobbykings, and I have had zero problems with the parts. They haven't warped or delaminated, and the print quality is very good once you have dialed the settings in. For the awsome PLA you can get a bit better results without dialing in the settings, so you have to work a bit to get clean prints without stringing with the Hobbyking PLA. But once you have everything figured out, it's a really cheap PLA that prints perfectly fine. As you can see, the colors aren't that special or deep. You can see this orange one is a bit transparent as well by design, but so no special colors, but it's a really good PLA for printing functional parts. It's quite strong. I haven't really had any parts breaking, as I said, or had any more problems with layer adhesion once I replaced my extruder. So everything seems to work well, and I'm happy with the filament. As I said, I've ordered some more as well for future projects. As I said, the filament comes in these 1 kilogram rolls, and right now I checked the Hobbyking website, and one of these 1 kilogram rolls with the premium PLA costs about 20 euros, but it actually goes down to as low as 15 quite frequently, so that's when I actually ordered mine. And as I said, for that price there's not many other PLAs that you can order that has the same quality control. I haven't had any problems with inconsistent diameter or anything like that. So that's pretty much it. I have printed some small test parts that I will show now, just so you can see some of the colors, how they look like, and how the print quality turned out. So here we have some other smaller projects that I made. This is a combination lock box that is printed in the Hobbyking green grass as well as the orange for the actual knob, and as you can see here the layers are very consistent and the print quality is actually very good. This is another project, which is my hardware sorting boxes. Also these turned out really good. As I said, I haven't really had any printing problems, since I replaced my extruder, so that is most likely why the filament didn't really work at the beginning. Here you can see a comparison, and you can also see some of how the colors look like. This orange fluoro is a bit transparent, as I said, and that's just what you like, if you like it. Otherwise, I think they have some other oranges as well, but these are printed at 0.2, and as you can see, the layers look really good. So that's it for this review. I'll have more coming up in the future of Hobbyking's new glitter PLA, as well as the X3 that you're supposed to be able to print at 3 times the normal speed, but we'll see if that is actually possible in the future. So stay tuned, and if you haven't already, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!